Understanding carbon footprints is critical to reducing carbon emissions. A carbon footprint is measured by the amount of emissions released by activities such as generating electricity, driving, farming, and manufacturing. The expanded use of natural and renewable gas in residential homes and commercial facilities offers significant opportunities to help address global climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The greenhouse gas effect is caused by the presence of carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases collected in our atmosphere. When comparing the carbon intensity of fuels such as coal or oil, natural gas has been found to yield fewer greenhouse gas emissions. In fact, when considering source emissions and electricity system losses, homes with natural gas appliances may produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions than those with all-electric appliances. Renewable gases may also provide further CO2 reductions. Natural gas utility innovation, leading the way to a sustainable energy future.